To lock apps on POCO X7 Pro, start by opening settings, and right now you will have to navigate into apps. Then go into App Lock and tap to turn on privacy. Now you will have to create a password. So currently we got this app drawer, this pattern, but you can also get PID or password. So input your password, input it one more time, click next. Right now you can add Xiaomi account, so if you want to reset your password, you will be able to do this. If you don't want to do this, just wait 4 seconds and click Not Now. And as you can see, we get some recommended apps to lock. But in my case, let's lock, for example, only Notes. Then click to use App Lock. You can also use your fingerprint to do this. And as you can see now, we did it. You can also lock apps with face data. And right here, we get this other options that we can lock. So now if I want to open Notes, I will have to input my password or use fingerprint.